here, Paul Yathie's Bagger Nation, and today we are playing with the new Road Glide 3 platform, and I want to share with you guys some of the cool parts that we make that are direct bolt-on products to customize your Road Glide 3 and make it way more comfortable. Right now, let's talk about our OEM Monkey Bars. They are direct bolt-on for the Road Glide 3, no modifications necessary. These come in a 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, or 16-inch height. These are 10s, that are bolted on here. You can buy these bars pre-wired, so you don't even have to worry or hassle with the wiring. Just bolt them on and pull your fly-by-wire sensor through, and you're good to go. These are available in black and chrome, and they are in stock at baggernation.com. Check them out.